Hey loves, what's up? So it's a new month, happy new month. And you know what a new month comes with? It's a new glossy box. So I got this box I think yesterday, so I decided to unbox it and show you guys what it's in our glossy box for June 2023. So let's check it out. If you didn't know, Glossybox is a beauty subscription service that gives you 5 products every month in some monthly basics, and you're being charged £11.50 every month, and it just comes straight to you. Once it's the first of every month, they just deduct the money, and by the 5th, 6th, you already have your package. So if you're interested in checking out new products that you've not tried before, or you just want to check out new products, you're just excited about unboxing beauty supplies monthly, I'm going to tell you to check out Glossybox because it's really nice. So I'm going to leave the link to the box in the description box below, and hopefully you check it out and you love it. So right off the back, I'm already loving this package. So we have some flyers like the last time. This is from Wild, so I have like a discount from Wild. I've used Wild deodorants before. I really didn't like them. I really didn't like it. I feel like for me the consistency was not giving. I didn't like the way it felt under my arm. I don't know if they've changed the formula, but I've used Wild before. I think I have a video where I did the haul, but I'll just scan this and see how much off I'm going to get, and maybe I'll try it again. Okay, so these are just kind of PR pamphlets, like just to get like some percentage off. So this is our June 2023 glossy box, and the theme is fresh breeze. So this is how it looks like. I love the color. It has this beachy wavy feel to it. So let's see what we have inside this box. Okay, so we have this. Like I said, it's called Fresh Breeze, and we're supposed to scan this. I really love this packaging. Glossybox be doing this all the time. I love it. This is what we are working with. First on the list, we have this 3-day skin retreat. I want you naked. Whoa. Is that the name of the brand? I want you naked. That's the name of the brand, actually. Wow, it's so sexy. So this is an anti-aging eye therapy. Okay, so I can't really bring it out, but so I don't know if you can see it from inside here. So let's see what it does. Born beautiful, stay beautiful. It has chlorophyll and hydroron. So it's a 3-day tree amplus for effective anti-aging boosting from nature. It contains high and low molecular hyaluronic acid. So the low molecular hyaluronic acid will help the skin absorb the hyaluronic acid faster, and it has vitamin B, it has caffeine, it has chlorophyll, hemp seed oil to plump and smooth the skin. The effect is already visible and noticeable after 3 days of use. So next we have Brave My Hair 101 Humectant. So this is a hair booster, moisture and repair, 5-in-1 multiple use. So it's a pre-pouring conditioning rinse, express intensive treatment, leave-in supplement, conditioner, heat treatment, finishing hair cream, all in one. So this is how it looks like. It's so funny that now that I even cut my hair, that's when I'm even getting hair products. Well, yeah, I'm still going to use them. What is my own? So next we have the Satisfy Your Urge for Playful Provocation. What? Glossybox, what's up with all this what's up with all this satisfy your playful provocation, and I want naked, naked brands? But so I think this is a lip gloss. So this is called the Beautiful Bad Habit lip gloss, Crave lip gloss. Okay, so I think the brand is Tease. So I think this is the brand and this is the name. So let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, I'm loving the packaging. So this is how it looks. So it's the Tease Crave lip gloss. So let's see. Okay, so right off the bat we can see that it has shimmer to it. I was trying to like perceive it has any smell or something. So it smells like, smell is okay. Let's see. It has shimmer to it, which is nice. It's cute for the summer, right? So that's not a bad one. I'm so happy that I have a lip gloss to my collection, which is really, really nice. So I think so far, I don't know, how do I feel about this? But let's go see. I have like 2 more products to go for this box. Okay, we have a shower gel. And it's from Rituals. Oh, I remember like a few weeks ago or last month, I think Glossybox did a collaboration with Rituals, and they had like a Glossybox ritual box, and they had lots of things. I didn't get it that time, and I was like, oh my god, why am I not even getting this? But I think it's still on. If that box is still around, I'm going to leave it in the description box so you can check out that Glossybox and Ritual collabo. So this is another Ritual product. This is the Ritual of Jing Sleep Serene Foaming Shower Gel with scent, sacred wood and lavender. So I think this shower gel will be best for the night, you know, like a relaxing night routine. And I think that's what I'm going to do, because I got a few products that I'm going to show you in my next video. Like it has some lavender scent to it, which is good for like relaxing. So I think I'm just going to add this to just stick around. We're going to have a shower routine next. So I can't really perceive this because if I press it, it's going to foam, and I don't want to. So yes, so let me show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, nice. I heard ritual products are good, and I've never tried any of them, so I'm really excited to try this, and I'll definitely give you my review. I was disappointed in the last Glossybox haul, the shower gel that came, because it didn't have any scent to it, but I'm excited about this because I heard Rituals is like a very good brand. We have a body mist, and this body mist is looking like all beachy and all that. So this is a Hawaiian Tropic Summer Dreams fragrance mist in passion flower, mango and musk. So this is how it looks like. I really love the color. I have never seen Hawaiian Tropic body mist. I've used their sunscreen, but I didn't even know they had like a body mist or any other thing. So let's see. Oh, honestly, it doesn't smell bad. It smells like, for me, it smells like, actually smells like the beach, kind of like water and just a little bit of flower. I can't really perceive the mango, but it smells like water. I don't know. I know that, you know, when something smells like as if it's water and a mix of flour. So that's how it smells, and I'm not mad at it at all. I love this. I'm so happy that this box has given me like some of my body care products, which I love. You know me and my body care products, I don't joke. So that's what I got for this Glossybox June 2023 package. I really loved it. There are products that I will use. If you're interested in checking out the Glossybox, I'm going to leave a link in the description which you can use to get your subscription. Thank you guys for watching this video up to this time, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me and share this video.